Hey guys, I have this gorgeous cooler the seller sent to me to review. Oh my goodness, let me show you the details. It is fantastic. And if you're looking to give it as a gift, I think the person who gets it would be so happy with it. It is really cool. It's got a lot of features. I'm going to show you everything and open it up and show you inside. Let's go. Okay, I decided to put tall bottles of a liquid. You can guess what that liquid is. And the reason why I'm using this is to show you how much height you have in here, as well as how much space, because I have plenty of room now for ice. I could stick more cans in here if I wanted to. I actually think I could probably fit one more bottle if I wanted to, but you can see here, these are full size bottles. And there is plenty of room in this bag for more items. I could easily put some snacks here or just completely fill it up with ice if I wanted to. Again, you do have a lot of space. I mean, I could easily fill this up with way more items than two drinks. I could put fruit in here, sandwiches, all that kind of good stuff. So that's really cool. So here's the back of it. In this is a zipped pocket, and this actually pulls out into a full size pull, just like you would have on regular luggage. And if you don't want to use that and you want to use it as a backpack, all you do is tuck that in there and zip that closed. That's good to go. And now you can carry it as a backpack if you want to. And it does have that like breathable mesh that's cushioned on the back as well. You have really good rolling wheels on the back. There's a lot of little features on here that I like. These are also perfect to put keys, maybe a hiking stick through there. On the sides, you have water bottle holders that's mesh, as well as another carrying strap. And then the same thing on the other side. So they've kind of thought of everything there. Inside here, you have lots of storage to put phones, iPad if you wanted to, more key storage, pens, things like that. So that's on the front here. On the top here, you've got the pull string, so you can also tuck things into here if you wanted to, maybe like a towel. You also have an insulated bag on the top here. So this would be perfect for like sandwiches and food and snacks. And also, if you're wondering, the straps do unbuckle here, so that way you could tuck them into this great little pouch here, and they're not flopping around when you're pulling it.